Today we're viewing a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment at London City Island. This vibrant riverside hub offers excellent connectivity, with just 4 minutes to Canary Wharf and 6 minutes to City Airport from Canning Town Station. This beautifully designed apartment is 818 square feet. The first bedroom is opening onto a private balcony. The master bedroom features a generous built-in wardrobe and its own stylish ensuite. You'll also find a modern family bathroom that keeps things simple and elegant. The open-plan living and dining area is bathed in natural light, thanks to a wide picture window stretching across the room. And from the heart of London City Island, the views across London are simply breathtaking. The asking price of this property is £685,000. If you're interested in this property, just contact us to arrange a viewing.